It's my mad scientific.
Yeah.
So I tried like to show like he had an explosion with the glasses on.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's the result.
My potion is filled.
Huh?
My potion has filled.
Your potion has failed.
Yeah.
Souris donc. I'm gonna try to film fast. The price of the gas, it blowed this today. Yesterday it was at $1.13 per liter. So just multiply it by 3.78 to see how much gallon. And today $1.31.9 multiply by 3.78, you get by liter by gallons. And damn, I should had tank yesterday at $1.13 yesterday, so it jumped by 17 cents, 18 cents more in one day. My little mad scientist and a little ghost. Trick or treat! There's not a lot of people around here that gives candies. It's sad for those kids, so no choice, we have to go by car. But take the advantage of it, and maybe we're gonna find some scrap while trick or treat. Found 1, 2, 3, 4 house. Almost a jackpot. Yay! But we're going on in a rich neighborhood. It's always amazing there. So we're on our way there, but on their way we take this small street like I normally do my scrap. But now it's not for scrap, it's for candies. And yay, thanks a lot, man, for all of you. It's appreciate, man. I appreciate you do this for the kids, and look how happy they are. Yeah. Good people, man. Good people, man. Look at their face. It's fun when people... Look at how excited my son is. Maybe he's just cold because it's fucking freezing outside. Oh, we're gonna make a test. How they gonna cross the street? Ah, they checked. there's another one there. Yeah. Nice neighborhood around here. Oh, and another one down there. Yes, doing good. Appreciate you folks. Now we are in a great area. Now it's beautiful to see all those kids. Hundreds and hundreds of kids around here on that street alone. That street is like they almost have no choice to give. If you see, they almost closed the street over here just for the kids. So hope everybody drives safe in Halloween. Just exaggerate, I drive like at 10 kilometers per hour. So look, all those kids. Ah, les filmer. Bel job. Merci beaucoup à vous. Fridg while my run. Do you have a bit of candies?
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
Good collect? Yummy, 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 yummy. What's that? Oh, a big fat Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. Attends, quelque chose. What? Il y avait des cents dedans.
Plus 25 cents. Ah, wow. They are amazing, huh?
Yeah.
That's one of the good bags. Make sure that there's no stupid people with dangerous stuff. I don't know. Trick or treat. Well, I'm gonna take your shower now. A big fat shower. Lots of shampoo. Alright.
My favorite candy.
Sour pop.
Yeah.
Bust open the walls just to get the wiring. Took the hot water tank and leftover appliances, aluminum siding, and had to come back cause the furnace so big it wouldn't fit in the back. Now it's copper by the pound, wired by the inch. Got a check on the first and it's gone by the fifth. Scrap or die, nigga.